Welcome to Practice Easy English. Phrasal verbs with the preposition in. Cut in. To interrupt someone. Don't cut in during the meeting. I'm sorry to interrupt you. Take in. To absorb or understand information. Did you take in the lesson? Yes, I understood everything. Chip in. To contribute money or effort. Can you chip in for the gift? Sure, I'll contribute some money. Turn in. To go to bed. Are you going to turn in now? Yes, I'm going to sleep. Call in. To ask someone to come. Did you call in a plumber? Yes, he'll be here soon. Drop in. To visit unexpectedly. Did Sarah drop in yesterday? Yes, she visited unexpectedly. Let in. To allow someone to enter. Can you let in the dog? Sure, I'll open the door. Get in. To enter. Can I get in the room? Sure, you can enter. Break in. To enter a place illegally. Did someone break in last night? Yes, a thief entered the house by force. Break in. To interrupt. Don't break in on an important discussion. I'm really sorry to interrupt you. Come in. To enter. Can I come in now? Yes, please enter. Step in. To intervene, to become involved. Did the teacher step in during the argument? Yes, he intervened and resolved it quickly. Move in. To start living in a new place. When did you move in? I moved in last week. Fill in. To complete a form or document by writing. Can you fill in this form? Sure, I'll complete it now. Check in. To register your arrival at a hotel or airport. Did you check in at the hotel? Yes, I've already registered. Fit in. To feel accepted by a group. Do you fit in with your coworkers? Yes, I feel comfortable with them. Give in. To surrender or yield. Did you give in to the pressure? Yes, I finally surrendered. Zoom in. To focus closely on something. Can you zoom in on the picture? Sure, I'll make it larger. Pitch in. To help or contribute in order to get something done. Did everyone pitch in for the party? Yes, we all contributed to make it happen. Bring in. To introduce. Did they bring in new rules? Yes, the new rules were introduced today. Bring in. To earn money. Does this job bring in good money? Yes, I earn a lot here. Sink in. To become clear, to fully understand something. Did the news sink in yet? Yes, I finally understood it. Plug in. To connect to an electrical outlet. Did you plug in the charger? Yes, It's connected now. Pull in. To arrive at a place. Did the bus pull in already? Yes, it just arrived.